One of the greatest threats to the forests of the Connecticut River Valley are invasive plant species that disrupt the natural biodiversity of the region. These allogenic species often outcompete natives and therefore require active management to limit their proliferation. We worked with the Silvio O.Conte National Fish and Wildlife Refuge located in Hadley, Massachusetts. This refuge consists of over 36,000 acres of land and spans through the entire Connecticut River Valley across Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Connecticut. The primary goal of the refuge is to protect the land and to promote biodiversity among the many thousands of acres. In order to help the refuge with their main mission, we were tasked with removing invasive species such as bittersweet, burning bush, and barberry. This helps to improve the land for native species and allows them to thrive in their natural habitat. We learned how to properly remove these invasive plants by using hand tools, such as clippers, pitchforks, and our hands themselves. In order to remove the small barberry shrubs, we had to first take off all of the small red berries on the plants in order to not allow the next generation of bush to grow. We then used pitchforks to loosen the dirt around the bush's roots before we could finally uproot it. Bittersweet, which wraps around the trunks of trees and constricts them like a snake, required a two-part process to eradicate them. First, we cut the bittersweet in two sections, and then we applied herbicide to the trunk of the bittersweet in order to kill it. Though we had to cut through vast swaths of multiflora rose in order to access some of the affected natives in which we assisted, we did not actively target multiflora rose for eradication, as our project partner Brad explains.
So it's a disease that's hitting multiflora, it's starting to hit this area pretty hard. It impacts some native roses, but our hope is that the rose rosette disease will hit all the multiflora and we don't have to.
To us, civic engagement means taking time out of your normal day-to-day schedule to help try and make the world a better place, even if that just means taking a few hours to help at a local organization like we did. We were rewarded from our civic engagement with a sense of true accomplishment, that we as human beings are still able to make a tangible difference with our hands in our immediate environment. We were inspired by working with our project partners Brad and Ben, who dedicate themselves to educating the community about invasive species and facilitating their involvement in protecting our natural resources.
Oh hey, I didn't see you there.